or you can say 2 blades. This has 3 blades. If you look from inside, you can see the different cylinders, radial cylinders. Each corner there is a cylinder on the side, and it is a radial engine. How do you put wires here in the front? Any of these wires? It's exposed to enormous wear and tear. Cold weather, things are flying. How do you ever look at these connections in the front? This can freeze in when the blades spin. So inside the wheel well, danger, propeller. It's an aluminum foils. This is the door. Don't know if you can open it from by your finger. How do you load it? You load it from here. All that door comes down. That thing comes down, and the soldiers walk in from this way. Look at here, that whole thing comes down, and you just walk on it like a ramp. How many flaps it has? About 3 flaps, 1, 2, and 3 on the side. And that is another door with a lock on it. How many people can it take? This is the hydraulic system. Lots of linkage, air tubes. What are these for? You follow them. I'm not sure this inflates the wheels. Have to, I think those are brakes. Those are air brakes. You look carefully in the bottom, those are brakes. But why would you have to have air pressure in the bottom? Yeah, right here, the brake drum. Those are brakes. Inside the wheels of the aeroplane. All this tubing at the bottom because of the brakes. Look here, how does this go inside? I think they have to open something else here to get these wheels in. And here is the air meter or the flow meter. And this is C-7A Caribou from 1961 to 1980. What kind of an aeroplane is that? Transport. No runway is required, which means it can land anywhere. The Caribou in Vietnam. It can land anywhere on the dirt on the street does not require runway. And here is another air flow meter. Look at the laser from the side, and from inside it is a rotary engine. Cylinders are radial. From each side you have a piston. What does that hose do? I think you have to have brakes here. I don't think you can rotate these blades. They are fixed blades. They cannot rotate. If you look here, this is fixed. I don't think this is a line. This is just a solid tube. It is not an air line. So they are fixed just to avoid the twist.